guys, we are going on a quick field trip today. I told you all the other day that we have an extremely busy week, so I'm not going to be able to get in the kitchen this week. So I figured we'd take a field trip today, and we have a visitor. Listen, I don't think we've ever had a field trip with two. Have we ever had a field trip with you, girl?
No, not at all.
So, you all show Miss Two, a.k.a. Donnice, a.k.a. Do Nice, that you know how to be on your best behavior, a.k.a. Do that. That y'all know how to be on your best behavior when we go out on field trips. Look with your eyes, not with your hands. Now listen, don't be touching the thing. It's a little warmerish out here today. I think it's about, well, right now it's about 78 degrees, but we're supposed to get up to about 84, 85 today. So it's too hot to send you all back to the car, okay? Can't send you back to the truck if you're misbehaving, because it's a little too warmerish. But I can put you in a corner in the Walmart till we get done and make you sit down somewhere. Now y'all know I'm not looking at you intentionally because I'm trying to pay attention. Okay? Since we driving. Unlike dude number one that wants to look at y'all and be doing all that looking in the camera as opposed to looking the way he's going. Ooh, about to run into trash cans and stuff. So I think we may have a couple of stops to make. But we're gonna get in this here Walmart while the world look at the baby. Hold the baby's hand, lady. Hold on. Thank you. The baby's hand. Come on. So we're gonna get in here and get what we need to get. Yeah, I'm so busy looking at this lady with this little baby in this parking lot, folk backing up. Anyway, we're gonna get in here and do what we need to do so we can get done what we need to get done, right? Right. Y'all, this is where I get the majority of my protein shakes from Walmart. Sometimes you do have to order. I have to order them online because they're not always available in the store. Toot, have you tried any of the Quest cookies or anything?
I haven't tried the Quest. I've only tried Legendary.
You tried Legendary.
Mm-hmm.
Was it good? What, this right here?
Yeah, I've had
A protein sweet roll.
This one was okay if you warm it up. This one I could not get jiggy with it.
Brown cinnamon sugar. Ooh. Okay. Have you tried any of the muscle milk protein shakes?
No, I love pure protein. That's mine.
Yeah, and pure protein in comparison, so like the 4-pack of Premier is like $8.97. And then Donnice, we both like the pure protein. She turned me on to this one. Wait a minute. That's $8.68, so just a little bit cheaper. But those are good as well. I'm real funny about protein shakes because they have to taste good.
And the
Equates are pretty good too. How much are the Equate? Okay, those are even less. Those are $7.48, the Walmart brand. Is that Walmart brand, the Equate?
I think so.
Yeah, $7.48. So those are good too, you guys.
I have walked through the darkest valley. I was lost, couldn't find my way. But then I heard him from within, he who died for my sins. He spoke my name, then I saw his face. Yes, I've seen his eternal glory. I felt his hand when I was was astray. I never knew until then what his love truly meant. I was lost, but now I'm found by his grace. By his grace.
Y'all, I try to keep a measuring tape in my purse. Usually it's not this big, but I have this larger one because, you know, we were trying to measure with furniture and stuff with dude number 2. But it comes in handy, y'all, so don't be laughing that I pulled the measuring tape out of my purse.
I've been saved by the grace of my Lord. He is the Lamb and he is the shepherd. He's the burning flame within my soul. The fire in my heart. He is my joy, he is my song. He is right when all is wrong. He's my savior and the light in the dark. Oh, I know I'm on a long and arduous journey. It is a narrow and a winding path. But he is always there through hope and despair. And when I'm lost, I'm always found by his grace. By his grace. By his grace. I've been saved by the grace of my Lord. By his grace. By his grace. I've been saved by the grace of my Lord. He will never let me down. He is always there for me. All my battles will be won.
Welcome to Walmart. How can we help you? We scanning our own stuff. Welcome to Walmart. Huh? I thought it was on the end.
I've been saved by the grace of my Lord. By his grace, by his grace. I've been saved by the grace of my Lord. By his grace, by his grace. I've been saved by the grace of my Lord. By his grace, by his grace. I've been saved by the grace of my Lord.
I hear the song you sing as you wake up my soul today. I feel the hope when your sun shines on my face. Oh, I'll wake up with your grace while the moonlight's still fading away. I see your mercy coming with the day. Oh, yeah. My prayer is simple, God. Love, have your way. This song is from the heart. Love, have your way. my voice and you know my every need. Oh, you see my hopes and dreams, but you have in store far better things. My future comes alive when you're leading me. Oh, my prayer is simple, God. Love, have your way. This song is from the heart. Yeah. Love, have your way. In the easy and the crazy. Love, make me more like you. My prayer is simple, God. Love, have your way. Take my heart and take my soul. Take it all and take
All right, you guys. Thank you for being on your best behavior during the field trip. We thought we were going to go to Target, and then, I'm sorry if that wind is blowing loud. Y'all, it's warm. That's the air conditioner. But I thought we were going to go to Target, but I'm like, you know what? Let's run in the big lots. Do we need to do anything else before we go in? Oh, maybe spring is really here now. I got warm, had to come out of my sweater. Got a little warmerish in the big lots. So you're sure you're good?
That I know of, but if I'm not good with it, I will.
I know. Y'all see, Big Lots had some stuff. Patio stuff is really cute in there. Make you want to go home. Made me want to go home and do something to the patio. I think somebody asked me about our backyard, speaking of which, and like, what have we done on the patio? You guys, I was so uninspired last season. We did absolutely nothing out there. I just didn't feel like it.
We did a little Easter egg hunt, and that was it.
That wasn't last year.
Yes, that was with the girls and Jackson.
That was last year? Okay, well, I'm talking about as it pertains to sure. Anyway, I'm talking about decorating and patio stuff. And when I'm not in the mood, y'all, I just can't. I can't. I'm not in the mood, and I was not in the mood. So I know I'm frustrated too because we've lost pretty much all of our cedar trees with those bagworms, and we just didn't catch them soon enough. So trying to figure that piece out, because what I would love to do is just take out all of the trees, even the ones that we purchased when we went to the nursery that time. It looks, 2 of them have leaves. The other 2, they look suspect. They look like they may be struggling to survive. So I don't know. I wish we could just take them all out. We won't do the cedar trees anymore because it looks like they can be notorious for the bagworms, and that's just terrible. So trying to figure out what we can do, because I really did appreciate the barrier or the privacy somewhat that it created between me and, us and our neighbors. So I think that's kind of got me a little bummed out. So it's a little frustrating. So just trying to figure that piece out. But I don't know, maybe me and dude number 1 will get out there and at least do something, because I did get a little fire pit on clearance last year. Didn't use that, but it's still sitting back there in the box, and we have a lot of firewood that we have acquired. So it's back down on the table and in the chairs, and just been uninspired. So if nothing else, maybe I will at least get inspired enough to get it cleaned up back there and just do something, because the springtime is really upon us now. And just looking at all that stuff in big lots made me feel like, oh, I wish our patio was done. So anywho, I guess we need to ease on down this road and get on to the house. But we appreciate you all for hanging out. It was a We appreciate you for hanging out with us today. Look, this is what we do, right? This is what we do. We have a semi-visitor. Can't see past those bushes. A visitor with us today, and I'm glad you were on your best behavior too, honey, because you would have got embarrassed in front of the family had you gone in the store and showed out. At least you could pick up something because you had money to pay for stuff. That part. So, all right, you guys. So thank you all. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you've not subscribed, please consider doing so. Hit the nosy. Hit the nosy. See, you said it in the right place. Daddy really says it in the wrong place, but you know, most of the time I just let him be. I let him be great. Hitting the nosy, that's turning on that notification bell. That way you'll be notified whenever we're over here doing all the things. All the things, okay? All right, you guys. Well, we will see you all. We'll check back in later on this week. Out of the kitchen, out and about. Thank you all so much for watching. We already look forward to you joining us again next time.